Can't ball in a life, man.
Hey you guys, guess what? I got my little package in the mail, and this is from Sol de Janeiro. You already know, girl. I got a whole bunch of little nothings, but the main reason I wanted to come on here was to open this, and this is the it's a Delicia Drench body butter. I may be saying that wrong. Delicia Drench body butter. And look what I got for free. I got the mist because I think I placed an order over $75. So for their first, this is the Sol de Janeiro Cheirosa 59. So if you place an order, I don't know if it's still there, but if you place an order up to $75, you could get this free. Otherwise, it had not been available. The full size was not yet available. I don't know if it's there now or not, but the only way you could get this for free was to make a purchase. I think it was $75. So I got these. We're going to be testing these out. I'm going to let you know. I have not opened them. I have not opened either one. We're going to test it out, and I'm going to give you my very first opinion, my very first smell, and let you know what I think. Okay, so we got that. All right, I also went ahead and ordered the Bon Dia Bright, and this is the clarifying AHA BHA body wash because I love Cheirosa 40, and this is the mate to that in the body wash form. So let me, I haven't even smelled this, you guys. I opened it, but I didn't even, I just looked into it to see what it was. And this does smell like the Cheirosa number 40, but it's just not very strong. But I think once it hits the water, because all of their body washes are so good. I've tried the rest of them. They were very good, very clear smelling. You could, I mean, very strong. Although I don't smell this right now, I'm sure once I get in the water and let the water hit it, it's going to do well. So now I have the big bottle of the Cheirosa 40. I have the big... also the big cream, the body cream to go with this, as well as the body wash. So for the summer, I'm ready. Okay, so what else did I get? Okay, I also got the Brazilian Foreplay moisturizing shower gel, and this is a cream gel. Okay, so this one I have not had. I don't know, I just wanted to try it. So because I have the 40, I have the Bum Bum cream. This is definitely stronger in the cream gel. I definitely sniffed that one right out the bat. Okay, very good, very clear, very bright aroma. Okay, so what else did I get? I think I got something else. Oh, I got the Bum Bum Body Firmeza oil. I thought about getting this. Okay, but my order would have been way over $75. I was just trying to get what I had to get that free body mist. So this is the Firmeza oil. I heard so much about this. I really wanted to try it. So I got a free sample of that. And that's it for the box. So now let's get into this new body butter, okay? It's a small size. I don't know if I'm going to get the big size or not, but I heard this is supposed to be one of the best moisturizing body butters out there. Okay, so let me just pull up a little information on the Delicia Drench. Let me just pull up some info. Okay, so when I pull up the information on this, it says since 2015 that Sol de Janeiro has specialized in creating products that make you feel like you're on a holiday in Brazil, and I do agree with that. They have the ultimate scents, in my opinion. Now with their super sweet scents and silky textures, they're the geniuses behind the Bum Bum cream, and now they have Delicia Drench body butter. So this product, normally the full size normally runs $48, and so this launches in December 21st. Now I didn't see the full size. I only got this size. This was the only one that I saw. So it was designed to be unlike anything they've ever released before. A revolution for both the body and mind. When lined up with the rest of the body creams, it comes out on top and moisture intensity. So this is supposed to be the most moisture intensity body butter. Okay, I don't want to just read a whole bunch of anything. So this is Cheirosa. This is the match to Cheirosa 59. It features notes of violet orchard, sugared violet, and sheer sandalwood. That's it. Okay, so whipped and ultra rich in moisture. So let's open it. I'm gonna open it. Okay, this is my very first time. I have not sniffed. I have not opened. Y'all saw me open the package. Okay. Look how thick that is. Oh, that is different. It's almost whipped. It's almost like a whipped body butter. Okay, it's very thick. And it smells good. It's very soft. It's very faint, but it's there. Okay. It's almost like a sweet floral. A sweet, soft floral, but I like it. I like it. I really do like it. Okay. Super moisturizing. I don't know if you can see or tell the difference. I had already lotioned my hands up, so bad move. I like it. I like it. Okay, so that is the body butter. Now this is a small size, but this was all that they had. They didn't have the bigger size of this one. This was all I was able to get. I don't know about now. I ordered online. Okay, so this is 2.5 fluid ounces. Okay, and this is the body mist. Now this was a free sample. It's not the full size, but I was able to get it for free. Okay, let's see. I have to take off the packaging. Yeah, I have not sniffed this at all. Okay, there's the packaging. So yes, like I said, if you can order, I don't know if it's still available because they said only the first few orders would be the ones who would receive the free gift. Okay, so let's just take a sniff, see what I think about it. Take a spray. I like it. I like that. Okay, let me look at the notes again. Let me look at the notes again because I'm picking up. Okay, it's violet, sugared violet, vanilla orchard, and sheer sandalwood. Okay, it's drying down now. But that sugared violet was popping out, okay? Popping out. Now I'm getting more vanilla and sandalwood on the dry down. But some of the violet as well. It's very different. It's very unique. But if you like violets, you're going to love this one. Because, I mean, at an initial spray, it was popping. Okay, it was like thumping out. It was really like, The dry down is more vanilla and sandalwood with a hint of the violet. It's pretty. It's pretty. Sol de Janeiro never lets me down, okay? They're pricey. They have good quality ingredients, but I love them. I do. I do. I think they're magnificent. So, yes, this is going to be good for the spring and summer. I cannot wait to wear this. But I love it. I love it. It's really pretty. Okay, it's very different. It's unique. It's different from any of the ones that I have. Okay, I don't have all of them, but I have the good majority of the Cheirosas. I think I have most of the Cheirosas. I don't have the tan lines and all of those, the extra ones, but I have the other Cheirosas, and this one is a force to be reckoned with. Oh my goodness, it is so freaking pretty. This is so pretty. Okay, I love it. I love it. Do I recommend? I say yes. If you don't like violet, no. It's very sweet, but it also has the floral of the violet, and the first initial spray, that violet pops out a lot. It was popping out. On the dry down, it's more subdued, and I really get more of the sandalwood as well as vanilla, and I think it is beautiful. So those are my first opinions, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave me some comments down below. Let me know if you have received these, or if you've tried them, if you tested them. Yep, I'm so glad I was able to get in on the free gifts. I definitely will purchase the bigger size of this as soon as it comes out, but I love it. Okay, that's my review. I hope you enjoyed it. Catch you in the next one. Take care.